Hey, quick question. What did you do with the last 30 minutes of your day? Did you learn something? Did you rest? Or did you just scroll your phone and now you don't even remember what you saw? If that sounds familiar, this episode is for you.
Welcome to Speak English Together, the podcast where we talk like real people, learn real English, and help you grow every single day. I'm Sara.
And I'm Adam. And today, we are talking about something very important, something that can change your life if you really listen.
We're talking about time. Your time. And how to stop wasting it.
But don't worry, we're not going to lecture you. We're going to talk, laugh a little, share some real stories, and give you tools you can use today.
So grab your coffee, sit down, and let's go.
Sara, before we start, how was your morning?
Honestly, a little slow. I woke up, picked up my phone to check the time, and 25 minutes later, I was still in bed watching videos of cats.
Cats. Classic.
I know. It happens to everyone. But that's exactly why today's topic is so important.
Yes. And listeners, if you do the same thing, don't feel bad. We all do it sometimes. The point is to notice it and make small changes.
Exactly. Small changes. Not a big perfect plan. Just small, smart choices.
Okay, before we dive in, we want to ask you one small favor.
If this podcast helps you, please subscribe, share it with a friend, and leave a comment. Even just one word in English. That's already practice.
Especially share it with that friend who says, I have no time to study English but watches 3 hours of TV every night.
We all have that friend. Sometimes we are that friend.
True. Okay, let's talk about time.
So Adam, let's start simple. What does waste your time mean?
Good question. To waste something means to use it badly, to use it in a way that gives you nothing back. So, to waste your time means you spend your time on something that doesn't help you, doesn't make you happy, and doesn't help you rest.
Right. It's not just about fun or not fun. It's about, did this give me something? Did I feel good after?
Exactly. Think of time like money in your wallet. Every day, you get 24 coins. You can spend them on good things, learning, working, resting, connecting with people you love. Or you can drop them on the floor and lose them.
Oh, I like that. 24 coins every day, and once you spend them, they're gone.
Gone forever. You can't get them back.
That sounds a little scary.
It is. But also, it's motivating. Because it means every coin matters. Even a 5-minute coin.
Okay, I have a story about this. Last Saturday, I had a free day. No work, no plans. I was so excited. I said, today I will clean my room, call my mom, do 20 minutes of English, and go for a walk.
That sounds like a perfect day.
Right? But here's what actually happened. I sat on the sofa to rest for 10 minutes before starting. I opened Instagram, and then it was 4 p.m.
Oh no.
I didn't clean. I didn't call my mom. I didn't walk. And my English? 0. I just felt tired and a little sad.
That feeling, that empty, guilty feeling after is a big sign. It tells you, hey, I didn't use my time well.
Yes. And the worst part? I didn't even enjoy the scrolling. I just did it. Like a robot.
That's the trap. You're not resting. You're not having fun. You're just disappearing into the screen.
Exactly. So after that Saturday, I decided to make some changes. And today we want to share those changes with you.
Tip number 1. Know your time, thieves.
Time thieves. I love this phrase.
A time thief is something or someone that takes your time without giving you anything good back. And the sneaky thing about time thieves? They don't look dangerous. They look fun.
Like social media.
Exactly. You open it to check one thing. 5 seconds. And then, 45 minutes later, you're watching a video of someone cooking pasta in another country.
Why is that video so interesting?
I have no idea. But it happens. Other time thieves can be too much TV, long phone calls that go nowhere, or even saying yes to things you don't really want to do.
Oh, that last one is real. Sometimes we waste time doing things for other people when we should be doing things for ourselves.
Yes. So step 1 is just to notice. For one day, watch yourself. When do you lose time? What are your personal time thieves?
You don't need to fix it right away. Just notice. Awareness is the first step.
Awareness. That's our first vocabulary word today. It means knowing and understanding what is happening around you or inside you. Awareness is the first step to change.
Tip number 2. Use your pocket time.
Pocket time. Okay. Explain this one, Sarah.
So, think about your day. You probably have some big blocks of time, 1 hour here, 2 hours there. But you also have many small pieces of time, 5 minutes waiting for the bus, 3 minutes waiting for your coffee, 10 minutes before a meeting starts.
Like small coins in your pocket.
Exactly. Most people throw those small coins away. They just scroll or stare at the wall. But if you collect those small coins, they add up to something big.
I have a friend. His name is Khalid, and he's very busy. He works long hours. He has a family. He always said, "I have no time to study English."
Classic excuse.
Right. But then one day he said, "Okay, I'm not going to look for one big hour. I'm going to collect small minutes." So he listened to English podcasts while driving. He learned 3 words during his lunch break. He read 5 sentences before sleeping.
And did it work?
After 4 months, his English was noticeably better. His listening improved a lot, and he said he didn't feel stressed because he never needed a big block of time.
That's beautiful. Small coins, big treasure.
So listeners, think about your pocket time. Where are your small minutes hiding in the day?
Tip number 3. Make a tiny plan.
Tiny. Not big. Not scary. Tiny.
Yes, many people say, "Today I will improve my English." But that is too big, too vague.
Vague. That's our next vocabulary word. Vague means not clear, not specific. Improve my English is vague. Learn 3 new words is clear.
Think of a tiny plan like a GPS on your phone. When you open the GPS with no address, what happens?
You just sit there. Or you drive in circles.
Exactly. But when you type in one clear address, the GPS says, "Turn left, go straight, arrive in 10 minutes." You know exactly where you're going.
A tiny plan is your address for the day.
For example, today I will listen to 10 minutes of English. That's it. One address. Clear and small.
And here's the secret. When you start with 10 minutes, sometimes you do 20, sometimes 30. Because starting is the hardest part.
Yes. Once you start, it gets easier. The tiny plan just helps you start.
I used to tell myself, I will study for 1 full hour every day. And you know what happened?
You never started.
I never started. Because 1 hour felt too big, too heavy. So I changed the plan. I said, just 10 minutes. That's my promise to myself. And suddenly, I could keep my promise every day.
And keeping your promise to yourself, that feels amazing.
It really does.
Tip number 4. Make English fun, not a punishment.
This is so important. Because if English feels heavy and boring, your brain will run away from it.
Imagine a child. Every time the child plays, someone says, "Do it perfectly. Don't make mistakes." What happens?
The child stops playing.
Exactly. We are the same. If English always feels like a test, your brain says, "No, thank you."
So connect English to things you already love.
I love music, so I started listening to English songs and reading the lyrics. I circled new words. I sang in the shower badly, but happily.
I love that image.
And I learned so much from those songs, more than from any grammar book.
I love stories. So I started watching short shows in English. First with subtitles in my language, then with English subtitles, then slowly without any subtitles.
And every time you understood a sentence without reading it, that felt like a small victory.
A big victory. I remember the first time I watched a scene and understood everything without reading. I was so happy.
So listeners, what do you love? Music, sports, cooking, funny videos? Find that thing and add English to it.
You're not wasting time. You're learning and enjoying. That's the best combination. Tip number 5, and this one is very important. Rest is not wasting time.
Yes, please hear this clearly. We are not saying work every minute, study every second. No.
Rest is necessary. Rest is productive. Rest is smart.
Think of your brain like a phone battery. If you use your phone all day and never charge it, what happens?
It dies.
We are the same. If you work, study, run, think, and never stop, your battery goes to zero, and a zero-battery brain can't learn anything.
I learned this the hard way. One night I was working on a project. I was tired, but I pushed myself. I spent 2 hours on it. The result was not good at all.
What happened the next day?
I slept well. I woke up fresh. I did the same work in 30 minutes and it was much better.
So sometimes, sleeping is more productive than working.
Exactly. Good rest makes you faster, smarter, and more creative. It's not lazy, it's smart.
The key word is balance. Some time to work, some time to study, some time to have fun, some time to truly rest.
Balance, not too much of one thing, not too little of another. Like a good meal. You need vegetables and something sweet.
I like that comparison. Tip number 6. Track your time for just one day.
This one is like a small experiment.
For one day, just one, write down what you do every hour. Not to judge yourself, just to see.
You might be surprised. Most people think they have no time. But when they track their day, they find 30, 40, sometimes 60 minutes that just disappeared.
Into the phone, into random TV, into doing nothing useful.
And when you see it written down, it becomes real. You can't ignore it.
It's like turning on the lights in a dark room. Suddenly, you see everything clearly.
Track to track means to follow and record something over time. You can track your time, your habits, your English progress.
So today's small challenge, track your time. Just for today. You don't need an app, just a piece of paper.
Okay, let's slow down and review some important words from today. These words will help you talk about time, habits, and learning.
Word number 1, waste. To waste means to use something badly with no good result. I wasted 30 minutes watching random videos. Don't waste your pocket time.
Word number 2, awareness. Awareness means knowing and understanding what is happening. Awareness is the first step to change. I have more awareness of my habits now.
Word number 3, vague. Vague means not clear, not specific. My plan was too vague. Don't be vague, be specific about your goals.
Word number 4, intentional. Intentional means doing something on purpose, with a clear reason. I want to be more intentional with my time. She is very intentional about her English practice.
Word number 5, pocket time. Pocket time means the small pieces of free time in your day. I use my pocket time to review vocabulary. Stop wasting your pocket time on scrolling.
Word number 6, time thief. A time thief is something that takes your time without giving you anything good. Social media is my biggest time thief. I turned off notifications to stop the time thieves.
Word number 7, track. To track means to follow and record something. I tracked my time for one day and was surprised. You can track your English progress in a notebook.
Word number 8, balance. Balance means having the right amount of everything. Not too much, not too little. I want more balance in my life. A healthy routine needs balance.
Word number 9, routine. Your routine is the regular things you do every day in order. My morning routine is coffee, 10 minutes of English, then work. A good routine helps you save time.
Word number 10, invest. To invest means to use time or money now to get something better later. When you listen to this podcast, you invest in your future. Invest 10 minutes a day in English, it adds up.
Okay, you listened, you learned, you thought about your time. Now what?
Here are your simple steps for today.
Step 1, think about your time thieves. What steals your time? Just notice, don't judge.
Step 2, find your pocket time. Where are your 5-minute coins hiding in your day?
Step 3, make one tiny plan for your English today. Not big, just one small, clear goal.
Step 4, connect English to something you love. A song, a show, a podcast. This one works.
Step 5, rest without guilt. Sleep, walk, breathe. Your battery needs charging.
Step 6, track your time today. Just one day. See what you find.
And step 7, the most important one, be kind to yourself. You are learning. You are growing. That takes time.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be a little better than yesterday.
Let's do a quick recap before we say goodbye.
Tip 1. Know your time, thieves. Notice what steals your time.
Tip 2. Use your pocket time. Small coins become big treasure.
Tip 3. Make a tiny plan. One clear address for your day.
Tip 4. Make English fun. Connect it to what you love.
Tip 5. Rest is not wasting time. Charge your battery.
Tip 6. Track your time for one day. See the truth clearly.
So we have one question for you today.
What is your biggest time thief? And what is one small change you will make after this episode?
Write your answer in the comments. In English, even one sentence. That is already practice.
And if this episode helped you, please subscribe, like, and share it with a friend who also wants to use their time better.
Remember, you didn't waste this time. You invested it. In your English. In yourself.
And we are so proud of you for that.
This was Speak English Together with Adam.
And Sara.
Until next time, use your time well, be kind to yourself, and keep going.
Bye, everyone.
Take care. See you in the next episode.